Hello guys, a new wallet. It's an old wallet by Adbloker for a few days ago. Like you see, I have $5 in my balance. This wallet offer a secure wallet for your crypto. Like you see, you have crypto here, USD, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC, USDT. Like you see, you can deposit in your in this wallet. You can withdraw also. Like you see, minimum withdraw is $15. Fees will be $5.16. That's how it's work. For every invited person, you will get $5 like me. What's important in this wallet? It's 100% secure. You can get a free virtual card for 10 USDT. $10 like you see, or a physical card. You will get your physical card here like you see. Also, you can withdraw to ATM. When you get for a virtual card, you can spend in Google Play or in any other service that can support virtual card. You can buy for $10. Also, you can buy for a physical card, 100% Visa card. You will get redeem. You can withdraw to your ATM. Like we see, it support ATM worldwide. Whatever you are, you will get your money 100%. Like you see. Here, you will find your account. Like you see, you must verify your account, and here you will find your crypto, also your dollars too. It's fast and 100% guaranteed wallet. Here, like I explain you can order a card. Like you see, you must bind an email, a mobile phone, identity verification to get your card 100% legal. Also, you can get a physical card. It will be sent to you, and you can spend your money in ATM machine. You must verify your account. You will get your money. Like I told you. The link will be in description. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.